Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video. And guys, we're talking about Cardano today. I done told you. What did I done say when I done told you a couple weeks ago, guys? Why ain't you guys watching my Cardano updates? Lowest view videos on the channel. I don't understand, guys. Like, come on. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Tune in for these Cardano updates. These joints are fire. I know. I understand. It's not 100% 100x news. I know it doesn't have the little, surprise faces in the thumbnails with the guys with the expressionless faces. You know, guys, what I'm talking about. Those thumbnails with those guys with the, oh my gosh, 100x. Huge news coming out of blah. Like, come on, guys. Like, we're adults here. We're not susceptible to those psychological tricks. At least I wouldn't hope. I got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go, guys. We're talking about Cardano here, guys. We're up 14%, and yeah, what a difference it is when we're not trending sideways for a couple of weeks. I mean, the FUD's all gone. What the heck happened? What happened, guys? I don't understand. Let me stop bitching. But the point is, guys, is that patience is key. What have I been saying for the past month, 2 months, guys? Cardano is right where it needs to be. We're pumping right now, but that does not mean that the pump is over, guys. Like, yes, could we correct? Sure. But the Alonzo hard fork still has not been released yet. Imagine what's going to happen when we get smart contracts. Imagine what's going to happen when we get fully fledged NFT marketplaces. Imagine what's going to happen when we get yield farming on Cardano, guys. Like, we have barely touched the surface of what Cardano is possible for. And, that's why I'm not worried about no sideways movement. And that's why I kick FUD in the teeth every day, because it's baseless. Baseless FUD. But this is a FUD rant video. Cardano's up 14% on the day, breaking all-time highs every minute now. And this is just the beginning, in my humble opinion, guys. So that's the price news. Watch the videos, guys. Come on. I know it's not 100x. I know it's not the flashiest titles with the flashiest thumbnails saying you will get rich now by buying Cardano. Click here. Like, come on, guys. We got to do better than that. We are better than that. We're following the news. We're following fundamental analysis, not fake technical BS. All right, guys. That's enough of me bitching. I'd like to give a shout out to our wonderful sponsor, ADA Coins, ticker symbol COINZ, guys. Please consider delegating your ADA to ADA Coins. These guys are great. Getting new delegations each and every day. High pledge. If you support ADA Coins, ticker symbol COINZ, you will be doing wonders for the Cardano network and decentralization, guys. We have to help these guys out. It is extremely hard to produce blocks. The only way they can produce blocks, guys, is to get delegations. So please consider delegating some. I'm not saying delegate all. Delegating some to these small stake pool operators. And the reason why, guys, is because at the end of the day, you are doing your part for the decentralization of the Cardano network. I'm not going to sponsor any big stake pools, guys. I'm only going to be sponsoring small stake pools for the time being. So if you want your stake pool mentioned on this channel, please hit me up on Twitter, and we'll get that done. But ADA Coins, thank you to our wonderful sponsor. And if you do delegate to these guys, they are going to be giving back. They're trying to teach and empower inner city youth, teaching them about Cardano, teaching them about technology, teaching them about being stake pool operators, teaching them how to get it out the mud. All right. So wonderful, wonderful shout out to our sponsor, COINZ, ADA Coins. Thank you so much. Cardano. Netherlands, Ireland, and Australia are the most interested in Cardano amid increasing adoption, guys. Things are pumping. This video is probably going to get more views because Cardano's pumping, even though it should be the opposite. Whatever. Interested Cardano is searching. As Input Output Hong Kong, the development team behind the cryptocurrency works on real-world applications for the digital asset. Data from Google Trends, which analyzes the popularity of search queries in Google search, shows that interest in ADA news is surging over the past few months. It started by the end of January and hit a peak on March 14th. The data also revealed that the countries most interested in the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market cap is the Netherlands. Shout out to all the homies in the Netherlands, guys. You guys do it the right way. You got, decent healthcare, decent schooling, decent homes. Y'all got decent everything. I don't want to see y'all. I see the video over there in the Netherlands, y'all rioting. What y'all got to riot about over there, man? Comment down below, all the Netherlands homies. Y'all do not need to be rioting. At least when you get hurt and go to the doctor, you don't get a bill for like 20 grand. I went to the doctor one time. They literally took some blood and hooked me up to the machine. They were like, "Oh, there ain't nothing wrong with you. Give me $6,000." I was like, "What the heck? Did I pay that? Heck no. That was ridiculous." Don't break a leg in America, because shit. If you get an ambulance in America to take you to the hospital, that's like a 20 grand bill. Like literally, we down bad over here. You are better off taking a freaking Uber to the hospital than taking a ambulance to the hospital. So y'all ain't got nothing to really riot over there about. I'm just Joshua, guys. Comment down below, my Netherlands homies. So we can see here, interest for Google keyword Cardano news the past 12 months. Huge stuff, guys. Huge stuff. Growing each and every day. It's really weird, guys. See this? This is emotion right here, guys. Cardano at 3 cents down here. Ain't nobody trying to search for Cardano. Nobody trying to search for Cardano. As soon as Cardano pumps 100,000%, everybody's trying to learn. Guys, opposite. I love it. And then we can see here, Netherlands homies all the way up. Belgium, South Africa. Not too many people in America, which is weird. But pretty awesome. Shout out to the Netherlands homies. And then it goes on to talk about the Africa partnership down here, which we won't get into, but this is good to see. I love it. Hey, it's good for me and my search results, so I'm down with it. Moving on. All right, guys, we have a status update here, the roadmap update. I like to read this a little bit. Sometimes it's a little bit technical, but it gives us an understanding of what they're trying to do, some of the hot fixes, and the progress of the mainnet at hand. So let's dive into this. Let's take a look at the dataless update here. This week, the team updated some dataless experiences on the Cardano wallet and Cardano node, and displayed the wallet name within the wallet dialog section. They also updated Catalyst voting transaction metadata and added ledger hardware support for voting registration. The network team worked on scaling the ledger stake distribution using square roots, which simplified getting downstream peers for larger stake pools. It implemented the new connection feature, which is based on stake distribution. They ran server tests in the simulator and made progress on IOSIM by implementing partial order reduction in the ST monad and introduced some EQ constraints on the 4 TVARs. I don't know what any of that means. DevOps, this week, the team deployed Node version 1.26 for integrating them with Cardano DB Sync. They also work with Nomad Bit Cluster for stake pools, integrated configuration changes for P2P testing, and updated Mac build image to Catalina to support new Catalyst iOS bundles. The decentralization team worked on documentation to support migration of tracing and benchmarking components into the node and continue working on cluster run management. They finalized consensus tracer migrations, started working on network tracers, and worked on the prototype design of configurations with the trace dispatcher. The team also migrated the trace forwarder from RESP scheme to a more efficient blocking and non-blocking scheme to use used in the node-to-node transaction submission protocol. And then lastly, the Goguen team. This week, the Plutus team made improvements to the database schema, including updates to some queries, also added events for starting and stopping instances. Also, they resolved some odd behavior from the overlaps function and worked on some debugging. The Marlowe team updated some front-end dependencies and worked on some basic formatting for metadata. They also worked on the new Marlowe website and made some user interface improvements to the Marlowe run prototype. So if you don't know what Marlowe is, guys, this is a no to low code way to create smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain. Freaking huge, guys. Anybody could create a smart contract with Marlowe. I'm so excited for them to develop that. All right, guys, moving on. Cardano and Stellar now tradable at Bourse Stuttgart. For the first time, investors can now buy, sell, and trade exchange traded notes based on cryptocurrencies Cardano and Stellar at Bourse Stuttgart. The securities issued by 21 shares track the price of two cryptocurrencies in relation to the euro. So this is good, guys. Interest in cryptocurrencies continue to grow and market momentum remains strong with the ETNs. Investors can now participate in the price development of two cryptocurrencies, Cardano and Stellar, through exchange traded securities, explains the director of blue chips and funds trading at Bourse Stuttgart. Investors could also benefit from the long trading hours of crypto ETNs as long as they can respond to volatile crypto markets from 8 to 22 hours CET. A total of 22 ETNs on cryptocurrencies are tradable at Bourse Stuttgart, 4 of which are among the 30 exchange traded products with the highest book order value in 2021. So guys, it's pretty awesome. More and more, I don't want to say on ramps because this is a stock crypto kind of. This is for people who don't want to actually own the underlying asset but want to get exposed to it, and it tracks the price of it. So this is pretty awesome. More attention on Cardano is good, and you know, partnering up with Stellar isn't a bad thing as well. Moving on, guys. And finally here, Cardano nominated for the blockchain solution of the year award. So we talked about this briefly. We're going to go over this briefly again. Cardano has gained recognition from the AIBC after being nominated for the blockchain solution of the year award. The project has been a buzz in recent months, mostly notably the Ethiopia deal set to be the largest blockchain deployment in the world, guys. So we showed that a couple of Cardano, like last Cardano videos. So if you want to take a look at this, please go ahead and vote. You know, go ahead and vote for Cardano. Go ahead and vote for SingularityNet. Quickly, here is the website, and here's how you can vote. Obviously, your first name, surname, email. And then right here, you know, we have Cardano for the blockchain solution of the year, and the AI application of the year is for SingularityNet. Obviously, if you're going to vote, please go ahead and vote for these here. The crypto influencer of the year. Hopefully next year I'll be on that motherfucker, but who knows? Y'all got to watch the videos. Y'all got to hit the like button. Y'all got to watch. Even if we're going sideways, guys, I need to get up on this. I want to be the crypto influencer of the year next year. Help a brother out. Can you do so? All right, guys, I'm just kidding. But I do love y'all. Enjoy today, guys. Cardano continues to break all-time highs. We already knew this was going to happen, guys, and we're not done yet. Please hold the faith. Continue to stack ADA and chill. There's more and more to come, guys. All right, let's go ahead and wrap these things up. I've been doing these videos all morning. Literally, my VeChain video this morning took 3 takes. I'm tired. I got to go work out and get on my day. Thank you to my wonderful Patreon subscribers: AJ, Brick, Garlic House, Mac Harris, Sergio, Leslie, Dilson, The Furlight, Jeffrey, Ethan, American Home Remedies.com, Maryland for Crypto, Boost Wave, Ruse Den, Brady Adams, Joe Menace, Kyle Botcher, Crypto SVT.si, Eric Parr, at Day the Voice for the People, HBDSouthBay.com, Ryan Ingram, Daniel A, Crypto Chemtrails, Climax CH, Angela Schroyer, Craig Wadding, C Vale, Maker Dow Crumbs, Bearder, Leon Jackson, and Jacob Connor. I love you guys. Enjoy Cardano. Enjoy the updates. I will talk to you tomorrow with the Cardano and VeChain updates. Once again, don't let your memes be dreams. Enjoy this beautiful weather out here. Have a great day.